So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new Chinese AI model that is known as Kimi. To access this model, you just need to go to this address that is kimi.ai. You just need to visit their website or server, and this is the interface when you visit. I like this, has a very clean interface and everything. So this is just like the interface, and this is the chat box. So let us start. I should just start with hi, are you? How are you? Now I know it's a machine; it doesn't have feelings, so we just have to start our chat, and that is, oh nice. So let's see. Now there is some indicator. This is online and a green dot. If you touch this, now it means Kimi cannot access the internet. Now, if you wanted to access the internet and browse real time, so you just need to click this and it becomes green, and now you can ask the question. So, tell me the stock price for NVIDIA. Now, let's see. Now it's reading 9 web pages, you can see here. So that is as of January 30th, 2025. This current stock price of NVIDIA is not available in the research. It means no. As of yeah, so data from January 28th, the stock price of the latest NVIDIA, and that is 115 to a maximum of that is. No, I think maybe this model is a little bit weaker this time, or the knowledge is not updated. But it can now. Let's see. Can browse some latest news about USA. So let's see. Now it may be searching the internet, reading the US newspaper news, and reading the okay. So you can say some. It started with sports, then business, and then politics. So this is the just model, and now let's see. Now over here, top right corner, you can just access any files, any certain files whatsoever. That can be PDF, that can be Word documents, that can be any type of files. Now let's see. Now just let's ask it, prepare a PPT, I mean presentation for me on machine learning. We're just testing out the model in this video, so let's see, can it prepare okay. So what's it doing? It means it cannot provide us with the files, or maybe I haven't just logged in. This That could be the matter, that could be the issue. But this time it's just isn't providing a file. Can you provide me the PPT file? Let's see. I'm sorry, but I can't create a PowerPoint file. It means this cannot create any PowerPoint file, but this can guide you. Okay, so let's see if this model can write code. Can you write code? So okay, oh my god, I think hmm, I think we've just ended up with the free version. Now we just need to log in and use it further, or we just let's see. Can you can can you browse the internet? Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. It means my free trial has ended. So okay. So let me guide you with the other important features of this model. Now you can just if you want to download the APK application, which basically is not listed on Google Play Store, So you just need to click this button, and you just need to click this icon, and this will appear a QR code, and you can scan this QR code and download the APK file directly from their website to your phone, and you can then use it. I've already downloaded their application. Now let me show you how just that looks like. So we are in their mobile application. That's just basically in Chinese language. Now I don't know how to change the language. I tried a lot, but I couldn't. I can, but if you chat with this in English, this just replies. So let's can you browse the internet? Okay, now let's see. Can you browse the internet? And let's see what is the response. This transition, I love this transition. What a beautiful manner. Yes, I can browse the internet. Okay, so okay, tell me the stock price for April this time. Okay, let's see. Now it's reading some pages as of January 29th. The stock price for April was 28 at point at close of trading. So it means now let's see if you click here. This might be, I think, uh, oh, we just need to log in to use this feature. I think this just reads aloud, and error some other thing. We can just upload photos. We can just files, and we can just upload local files and something else. So I will be making another video. I will be uploading files to this. Now let us have a final test. Can you write code? Okay. Let's see. Yes, I can help you write code. I can assist with the various program languages, including Java, Python. Okay. Write an HTML. Oh, I'm sorry, I just made a mistake. Write HTML. HTML. Yeah, HTML code for circle to be shown in the browser. So let's see. Oh, for this feature we just need to log in, I think, or use their premium version. Now that is Chinese, and basically this can be integrated with the WeChat, the application they use. I don't know what's the error. Let's see if we have ended up with the trial over here. Can we continue chatting? Okay. No, I think in the mobile application assistant, we have again ended up with our trial, or with the number of chats, number of messages we can send to the Jan one. Now, if you click here, the top right corner, you just need to move. You can move to a new chat. Now let's see if this works. Okay, let's ask a question. Hi. Now, it means we have finally been ended up with our trial version. So thank you everyone for watching this video.